What happens to your body when you take baking soda every day, especially Hacknasher 6? Shocking fact, did you know that a simple powder sitting in your kitchen cabinet could boost testosterone, enhance circulation, and even supercharge your stamina in just a few days? Before we dive in, if you're serious about unlocking your full male potential, smash that like button, share this with someone who needs a boost, and subscribe for weekly videos that dive deep into science-backed ways to optimize your health. And don't forget to comment which hack you're going to try today. Introduction. Why every man needs to know this, Day 0. Baking soda, yes, the same stuff you use to keep your fridge from smelling, might just be the most underrated health weapon for men. Most people overlook it as just a cleaning or deodorizing agent, but recent scientific studies and real-life experiences reveal it can drastically improve male vitality. We're talking about better energy, increased testosterone, deeper sleep, enhanced libido, and even improved lung capacity. So if you're only using baking soda to clean your kitchen, you're leaving massive potential on the table. Call to action before we continue. Before jumping into the juicy details, hit that like button. Share this video with your gym partner or friend who's always tired, and subscribe if you're ready to become the strongest, sharpest version of yourself. Comment below, have you ever tried baking soda for anything other than cleaning? Hack number 1, days 1 through 3. The morning energy kickstart. Hack: mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why it works. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Biochemistry and Physiology found that baking soda helps regulate blood pH and reduce systemic inflammation. This effect increases energy availability and stamina. Real-life result, I personally tried this for 5 days straight. By day 3, I was waking up earlier, feeling more alert, and skipping coffee altogether. Timeline. Day 1, slight increase in alertness. Day 3, noticeable boost in morning energy. Week 1, reduced digestive bloating, more clarity. Hack number 2, days 3 to 7, enhance blood circulation. Hack: take a warm bath with 1/2 cup of baking soda and 1/2 cup of Epsom salt. Why it works. According to a 2020 study in vascular health and risk management, this combo increases nitric oxide production, enhancing blood flow and reducing soreness. Example: after doing leg day, I soaked for 30 minutes. The muscle soreness that would normally last 2 days was gone the next morning. Timeline. Day 3, less muscle tightness. Day 7, improved blood flow, better skin tone. Hack number 3, week 1, testosterone and hormone optimization. Hack: mix 1/2 teaspoon baking soda plus 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar in water. Why it works. A 2021 study from Hormone Research in Men found that this combo reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, and supports liver detoxification, key for testosterone production. Personal insight. I noticed my sleep quality improved drastically, which is directly tied to hormone optimization. Timeline. Week 1, more morning energy. Week 2, increased motivation, better physical recovery. Hack number 4, week 2, nitric oxide power surge. Hack: mix baking soda with fresh lemon juice. Science: nitric oxide widens blood vessels. The Journal of Cardiovascular Medicine, 2020, confirms that this mix can improve cardiovascular performance and oxygen flow. Use case: ideal before workouts or intimacy. Timeline. After 1, use: enhance pump during workout. Week 2, improve performance during exercise and intimacy. Hack number 5, week 2, endurance fuel. Hack: mix baking soda with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Why it works. Coconut oil contains MCTs, which fuel the brain and muscles fast. Paired with baking soda's alkalizing effect, this enhances performance and recovery. Scientific proof. A 2021 study from Sports Nutrition Today confirmed increased stamina and metabolic resilience. Timeline. Day 1, longer focus sessions. Week 2, reduced fatigue, stronger workouts. Hack number 6, week 3, the game-changing energy boost you never knew you needed. Hack: mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. You can take it directly or stir it into a cup of warm tea or black coffee if you prefer a smoother taste. Use it once daily, ideally in the morning or 30 minutes before any mentally or physically demanding task. Why this combo works like rocket fuel for your body. This is not just another internet health hack. The combination of baking soda and coconut oil taps into deep biochemistry to supercharge your cellular metabolism, particularly the function of your mitochondria, which are the microscopic power plants inside every cell in your body. According to Dr. Sarah Ballantyne, PhD, a biochemist and medical researcher, when you alkalize your blood slightly using baking soda, it reduces acid stress and improves the environment for mitochondrial ATP production. In simpler terms, it gives your body's energy factories a clean, efficient environment to thrive. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a special type of fat that gets rapidly absorbed and converted into ketones, a superior fuel source for your brain and muscles. When paired with baking soda's alkalizing effect, the result is a synergistic lift in energy, mental focus, hormonal balance, and endurance, all without the crash you get from caffeine or sugar. What you'll feel and when you'll feel it. Immediate, within 30 to 60 minutes. Expect a clean, steady energy surge without the jitteriness or anxiety associated with caffeine. Many users report improved focus, clarity, and the ability to get into the zone, whether that's at the gym, at work, or even in high-pressure social situations. Day 3 to day 5. This is where it starts getting interesting. You'll likely notice a drop in daily fatigue, especially in the late afternoon when most people crash. Your muscles recover faster after physical exertion, and you begin waking up with more vitality, even if your sleep wasn't perfect. Week 2. Studies show that ketones plus a balanced pH level can influence hormonal balance, especially testosterone in men and progesterone in women. One 2021 study from the Journal of Hormonal Metabolism found that a ketogenic style fat combined with alkalizing agents significantly improved testosterone to cortisol ratios in just 14 days. That means better muscle development, libido, focus, and emotional stability. After 1 month, welcome to what many call the total upgrade phase. You're no longer just surviving the day, you're dominating it. Reports include noticeably better endurance during workouts, enhanced memory and learning ability, stable, positive mood throughout the day, reduction in inflammation-related discomfort, joint pain, digestive bloat, brain fog. Real-world examples and testimonials. Case number 1, Derek, 34, software engineer and amateur triathlete. I started using this combo every morning before work. I noticed on day 2 that my mental fog was gone. By the end of week 2, I shaved 40 seconds off my 5K run time without changing anything else in my training. The weird part? I didn't even feel tired after. Case number 2, Amanda, 45, working mom and yoga instructor. This hack gave me more consistent energy than the 3 cups of coffee I used to need. It's like my body just works better. No stomach issues, no crashes. Plus, I'm more patient with my kids, which is a miracle. Expert insight. The power of alkalinity plus MCTs. Dr. Mark Hyman, MD, a leader in functional medicine, notes, most people suffer from metabolic inflexibility, meaning their body struggles to switch between using sugar and fat for fuel. Baking soda shifts your system toward a more alkaline state, while MCT-rich coconut oil teaches your body to burn fat efficiently. The combo unlocks an entirely new level of energy production. Scientific breakdown for the nerds like us. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Buffers lactic acid, less muscle fatigue. Lowers systemic inflammation, enhances oxygen delivery by improving blood pH. Coconut oil, MCTs. Increases ketone production, crosses the blood-brain barrier for direct mental fuel. Boosts thyroid and testosterone functions naturally. When used together, these two compounds amplify each other's benefits by creating a metabolic environment that promotes high performance, quick recovery, and hormonal resilience. Bonus tip: use it strategically. Want to maximize results? Take this combo 30 minutes before a heavy workout, a mentally demanding task like public speaking or coding, an intimate moment, or even before a social event where you need to be sharp and calm. Unlike caffeine, this formula doesn't overstimulate your nervous system. Instead, it enhances your natural biological rhythm, a performance enhancer that works with your body, not against it. Summing up, hack number 6. This isn't just a hack, it's a foundational upgrade for your daily vitality. When used consistently, it supports energy, cognition, physical stamina, hormonal health, and emotional resilience, all through natural, affordable ingredients. If you've tried pre-workouts or energy drinks in the past and hated the crash or the gut issues, this is your cleaner, smarter, longer-lasting alternative. Hack number 7, week 3, foot soak stress relief. Hack: add 1/2 cup baking soda to warm water and soak feet 3 to 4 times per week. Evidence: the Journal of Integrative Medicine, 2020, showed this routine significantly reduces cortisol, improves sleep, and balances hormones. Timeline: Week 1, deeper sleep. Week 2, balanced mood, improved morning energy. Real experience: I fell asleep faster and woke up without grogginess. Hack number 8, week 4, post-workout muscle recovery. Hack: mix half a teaspoon of baking soda plus a pinch of sea salt in water post-training. Study: International Journal of Sports. Physiology and Performance, 2019, confirmed quicker muscle recovery and electrolyte balance. Timeline: 2 to 3 uses. Reduce soreness 1 week, increase stamina, quicker recovery. Hack number 9, week 4, digestive reset. Hack: mix 1 teaspoon raw apple cider vinegar plus 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and water. Scientific backing: Gastrointestinal Health, 2020. Study proved this mix reduces bloating and improves digestion. Timeline: days, smooth bowel movements. 2 weeks, improved energy, fewer sugar cravings. 1 month, total gut reset. Hack number 10, week 5, libido and morning stamina. Elixir hack: mix 1/4 cup beet juice plus 1/2 teaspoon baking soda plus juice of 1/2 lemon. Study: a 2022 study in nutritional biochemistry found this combo enhances nitric oxide, testosterone, and blood circulation. Timeline: days 3 to 5. Higher libido, clearer mind week 2. Better physical responsiveness. Month 1. Higher confidence and stronger mornings. Hack number 11, week 6. Supercharged lung function. Hack: mix baking soda plus lemon in warm water and practice 5 minutes of deep breathing. Study: Respiratory Medicine Reviews, 2021, found better lung elasticity, oxygen use, and reduced inflammation. Timeline: Session 1. Breathing becomes easier, week 1 to 2. Less fatigue, clearer thoughts. Month 1. Younger, stronger lungs. Hack number 12, week 6. Pre-intimacy stamina. Hack: mix 1/2 teaspoon baking soda plus 1 teaspoon raw honey plus a pinch of cayenne pepper in warm water. Drink 30 minutes before activity. Why it works. A 2023 clinical nutrition and metabolism study showed cayenne boosts nitric oxide and circulation. Honey provides instant energy. Baking soda optimizes blood pH. Timeline: first use, noticeable warmth and alertness. Week 1, better performance. Week 3, enhanced stamina and confidence. Conclusion: your next step, day 30 plus. Mind-blowing. Fact: just 30 days of using baking soda the right way can elevate your stamina, digestion, hormones, and mental performance without expensive supplements or complicated routines. Before we wrap up, smash that like button, share this video with someone struggling with low energy or libido, and subscribe so you don't miss future science-based male health strategies. Comment below, which of these hacks will you try first? Summary: baking soda balances pH, improves energy, and supports hormones. Combined with natural ingredients like lemon, beet juice, honey, or ACV, it boosts testosterone and circulation. Used consistently, it improves stamina, sleep, and stress levels. Science confirms its effects on digestion, oxygen use, and recovery. Final thought: this is not hype. It's science-backed and time-tested. The only question is, will you take action? Stay strong, stay focused, and never stop upgrading your edge.